how to delete all like videos on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can delete all of your like videos on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right now, I am using desktop. I am here at Chrome. So I just search youtube.com. So let me show you two ways on how you can delete like videos. So this is the first way. You can go to your like videos right here in the left side of the screen. So as you can see, these are my like videos right here. So to delete these is you can go right here at the right side of the video that you like, and you can see a three dots right here. You can click this. And as you can see, we have the option to remove from like videos. You can click this and it will remove the video from the like videos. Yes, in the playlist. And that's the first way. So the second way to delete all of your videos is you can go right here, new tab. And then right here, you just need to go to your account and then manage your Google account. Click this. Next thing you want to do is to click the data and privacy right over here at the left side of the screen. Let me remove this first. And then you can scroll down here until you see this web and app activity. You can click this. And then of course, scroll down again. We have this manage all web and app activity. Click this again. And then there you go. Once you're here, you need to click the other activity on this left side. And then scroll down, and as you can see right here, you can control your web app activity, YouTube history, location history, and so on and so forth. So what we're gonna find right here is this one right here, YouTube likes and dislikes. So you can click this, view likes and dislikes. And then there you go. As you can see, you will see all of these videos that you like. And then you can simply click this X to delete all of your like videos. So let me click this and then delete. And then as you can see, I don't have any like videos in my account or in my YouTube account. So there you go, deletion complete. And then you can click the got it. So yes. And that's how to delete all like videos on YouTube.
I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.